Hello everyone, it's PeterD with Bearable Traders. I thought I'd do a brief recap of my day because sometimes you got to share the bad along with the good. And today was definitely a bad day. So beginning of today, like I do every day, I write myself a set of rules. Today my rules were really simple, right? So all I had to do was take the damn trade, TTDT, and don't hulk, and that would equal success. I did great on the first, I did terrible on the second. And let me show you what that actually means. By the way, let me apologize for the camera. I've got my desk in standing mode, and when it's in standing mode, the mic actually, sorry, the camera doesn't actually reach far enough. But anyways, today, so I hit my max loss. Only $200, but I was taking a $40 risk per trade. As you can see, I actually had some great trades, but really I traded way too much. I overtraded and traded to a point of ridiculousness, and AMD is the one ticker I will show you because it just exemplifies the crazy stuff I did. I took 10 trades on AMD, and of which only 3 were winners. And while I had a great trade here that I netted $110 on a reversal on AMD, I lost $161 on the first trade alone, and that's 4 times my max loss per trade. The lack of maturity I showed in a number of these trades, including towards the end of the day where I lost 2 times my max loss on this one, when obviously it was trending sideways, and I kept trying to add to the trade to get my average better. Like I'm very disappointed in how I managed against my rules, against which I'm normally very mature. But today I just had one of those days, and as much as I took a couple of walks and tried to rein it in, I should have really stopped. There was a point at which I was only down $80 despite that opening trade because I brought it back. If I'd stopped around noon and not come back, I would have only been down $80. But I came back in the afternoon and frankly just lost more. And that is what is most disappointing to me of everything. As I said, I overtraded. Look at this. I took 114 tickets today. That is just way above and beyond what I should. My commissions are going to be astronomical. It really was just a poor disciplined day. And again, normally when I pride myself on the discipline I display in the trades, almost to a fault, because I'm an undertrader. I tend to trade too little, which is why one of my goals was to take the trade. Obviously, I took the trade today, but I didn't do it in a mature fashion, and that really disappoints me. By the way, what you're looking at now, I have a bunch of different DAS screens and desktop profiles, I guess, that I keep. This one I just use for closeout. It has everything I need to close out. I can flip between the different symbols. It has it in the right size where I can just pull it over into my journal without having to adjust anything. So it's real simple for me to manage. And if you don't use DAS that way, I would recommend, set up different desktops. It's quite helpful. But anyways, I just wanted to share that with you to say, you know what, we can all have our days. I certainly had one today. But I will be back tomorrow, hopefully smarter, hopefully a little calmer, following my rules, and profitable. All right, take care, and we'll see everyone later.